First, we can study what is pressure control valve. The pressure relief valves or control valves are used to protect hydraulic components from excessive pressure. This is one of the most important components of a hydraulic system and is essentially required for safe operation of the system. So simply, if the system pressure exceeds beyond a particular limit, the pressure control valves release the excess pressure to the reservoir. The types of pressure control valves are direct type pressure relief valve, unloading valve, sequence valve, counterbalance valve. So first type we can see direct type pressure relief valve. Here two ports are available. This is pump port, this is tank port. Normally this valve is in closed position because of the spring force. The pump pressure always acts on this valve. So when the pump pressure exceeds beyond the design pressure of the system, the this valve will be lift. So this port will be open, pump and tank port will be open. So the pump delivers the fluid to the tank directly. So this is a working principle of direct type pressure relief valve. Second type, unloading valve. These valves are used to permit a pump to operate at minimum load. It works on the same principle as direct control valve, that the pump delivery is diverted to the tank when sufficient pilot pressure is applied to move the spool. This valve consists of control chamber with an adjustable spring which pushes the spool down. The valve has two ports, one is connected to the tank, another is connected to the pump. So when the pump operates without any output, means the remote pilot pressure will be given to the bottom of the spool. At that time the spool will be lifted, so the pump port is directly connected to the tank. So the pump will be operate with minimum load. So then we can see the sequence valve. Sequence valve, the primary function of this type of valve is to divert flow in a predetermined sequence. It is used to operate the cycle of a machine automatically. A sequence valve may be of direct pilot or remote pilot operated type. Its construction is similar to the direct relief valve. It consists of two ports, one main port connecting to the main pressure line or pump line, and another port is connected to the secondary circuit. The secondary port is usually closed by the spool. The pressure on the spool works against the spring force. When the pressure exceeds the preset value of the spring, the spool lifts and fluid flows from the primary port to the secondary port. For remote operation, the passage used for direct operation is closed and the separate pressure source for spool operation is provided to the remote operation. So this is a construction of sequence valve. So sequence valve is used for to operate two cylinders by sequence. Okay, as our requirement, as our sequence, we can operate two cylinders or linear actuators. The next we can see the pressure reducing valve. Sometimes a part of the system may need a lower pressure. These valves are used to limit the outlet pressure. Generally, they are used for operation of branch circuits where the pressure may vary from main hydraulic pressure lines. These are open type valve and have a spring chamber with adjustable spring and a movable spool. A drain is provided to return the leaked fluid in the spring chamber. When the pressure in the reduced pressure line exceeds the valve setting, the spool moves to reduce the flow passage area and compressing the spring. Pressure reducing valve this is a construction of pressure reducing valve. So this spool always adjustable by means of the spring force. So depending upon the pressure available in the pump line, it will be adjusted, or same quantity of pressure will be adjusted, or same quantity of pressure will be delivered in the desired place.